In this video, we show you how to open the Google Play Store on your Android or Google TV. So by default, the Google TV doesn't show the Play Store icon on your home screen, but the easiest way to open it is to simply press and hold the mic button on your remote and then say Play Store. So this will immediately open the Google Play Store and then you can browse apps and download them as usual. There's also another way to do this. So for that, open the Settings app on your Google TV. Now here scroll down and then select Apps. Now select See All Apps. Now here you will need to scroll all the way down and then select Show System Apps. Once again scroll down and then find Google Play Store on the list. Once you find it, click on it and then select Open. So this is the second method to open Google Play Store. You can then download and install apps as usual. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.